What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering another SPAC stock, and we all know SPAC stocks have been beat down to absolutely nothing the past 4 months with that crazy sell-off that happened starting in February. And when I look for SPAC stocks, I want to look for very specific things to make sure I'm getting a great deal. We're going to be looking at this SPAC stock today. We're going to be going into the investor presentation, and most importantly, we're going to see if we're getting a great deal. That's the Blacksky SPAC merger. So that's what we're going to be taking a look at today. And only if you feel this video gives you a better insight on SPAC stocks in general. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be keeping you updated daily with all the growth stocks and spec plays. There's going to be a lot of great information coming out, and you don't want to miss it. Let's get into the video. So guys, this is the Osprey Technology Acquisition Corp. SFTW is the ticker symbol, okay? This is Black Sky, okay? If we take a look right here, this deal was actually announced in February, guys. So we all know these SPAC mergers are getting crazy delays, okay? This is a real-time Earth observation company leveraging the innovative performance and economics of small satellites, basically, okay? And this is a pretty decent deal when we go over the growth, okay? We're getting a valuation of about 1.1 billion, okay? And if we take a look at the stock, okay, this has came down from, almost $17.50 back in February. So that's how these SPACs have been going, A lot of people were just pumping dumping these, not looking into the company at all, just the first day of announcement, pump and dump, okay? We know that's how it went, and then the good quality SPACs have made their way back up to higher prices, after their mergers completed. So, Blacksky is a company that's been around for, nearly 8-9 years, okay? It's a small company with 128 employees, but, you have to be very intelligent to work at this company. They're looking for engineers, finance and stuff like that. So this company has pretty much completed its investing stage. So right now, you're getting in on this company at the growth stage. That's why they're going public. More money to ramp up, the company's revenue quicker and stuff like that. That's why these companies do these SPAC mergers. But we know a lot of, SPAC stocks out there, went public for bad reasons to try and stay alive. This company right now has quality revenue, quality valuations, and most importantly, amazing growth, okay? So we're going to take a look into this company real quick and see if we can find out if this is a great deal. I do plan on purchasing this one. I have not purchased it yet. I'm waiting for the deal date of the voting to get announced. Once the voting gets announced and I know that there's no more delays as far as extensions and stuff like that, I'll start buying this one. And I do plan to go pretty heavy. This is definitely going to be a 5-year hold for me. I'm not going to worry about the ups and downs. I don't want to play options on this one. I just want to go long on this one because I think, this has amazing upside with the growth. So let's look into this company real quick and see what we can come out with. This is a high growth technology company disrupting the market for geospatial imagery and space-based data and analytics. A first mover in a new category with a large and growing total addressable market. Real-time Earth observation is what you're investing in. Enormous new commercial market unlocked by low-cost data capture and on-demand delivery of analytics. So let's keep going. So basically, this is monitoring the global economy in real time, okay? Reveal change that matters most to you for people's companies, okay? Observe the world in real time, detect and monitor global activity, understand and predict change. And there's another slide that all of these will show you exactly what they do and how fast they can do it. Blacksky at a glance. What I like about this company is it has a 40 billion total addressable market. Remember, the company's going public at a 1 billion, valuation. So when can we potentially get to this 40 billion addressable market with a fair value? I'm thinking this can potentially happen towards the end of 2025, guys. I can see this company getting right into that 40 billion total addressable market. And guys, another great thing about this SPAC stock is they have revenue, okay? It's not crazy revenue, but they do have revenue with crazy growth, okay? 2020, we're far out of 2020. This 22 million revenue has already been confirmed. They've already done for 2021 earnings, and they are right on track to hit this 46 million. I think they lowered it a little bit because of deals they pushed out. So they are reassuring their 40 million 2021 revenue. So guys, we've already got the revenue for 2021 being assured of $40 million, and they also put forward guidance to this 114 million, okay? And guys, this was all like if you look at 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, this was the investing phase, okay? You're now entering the growth phase of 2022 and 2023. That's why I want to buy right now when this stock is at the bottom of NAV price of 10 bucks, okay? Because once this revenue starts kicking in right here and you get this 114 million, I'm going to show you guys this has potential upside of 4x in your money next year in 2022. If we can just get this market cap to 4 billion, okay, off that revenue, a couple of earnings in Q1 and Q2 and, assurance of that 114 million revenue, we're getting a 35x valuation, which is very reasonable with high growth stocks, okay? So I think this is very, very possible to 4x your money next year sometime, mid or end of the year once people start understanding what this company is and, the guidance is reassured. So you want to get in before 2022. Let's just say that. And I really think it's a great time to buy this company at the $10 price at the $1 billion valuation, because this is when things get really exciting. And 40 billion addressable market, that could potentially happen in 2025, 2026. You would be 40x in your money potentially in, a 5 to 6 year span, which is insane gains, guys. That's insane gains, okay? So we're going to keep scrolling through and we're going to learn more about what this company does, okay? Blacksky serves a large and expanding market for space data and analytics, okay? 13 billion total addressable market in 2020. 40 billion addressable market in 2025. So even if they get, a fourth of this addressable market, guys, that's going to be, a 10 billion market cap, 10x, worst case scenario. But I definitely think, a 35x valuation, next year on this company with that revenue, you could 4x your money with a 4 billion market cap. So you want to get in early at that $10 NAV price. As you can see right here, 2013 to 2020 was the investing stage, okay? We're past this, okay? We're in the acceleration phase now of 2021 to 2025, and then 2025 plus, you're getting into that expansion stage. They think they can hit, 1 billion in revenue in 2025, 2026. I mean, that's going to be insane, guys. And we'll look at some of the competitors at the bottom. But as you can see, guys, they got, Air Force relationships, U.S. Army. That's their major target. They're going after. That military defense, contracts and stuff like that. But right here, this is pretty much what is going to give you the best details about this company and what they do. Okay, illustrative commercial market applications for real-time geospatial intelligence, okay? Think energy and utilities, pipeline monitoring, regulatory requirements for detecting leaks, hazards. Guys, this is going to allow companies to, adjust and make moves, to save money when they see things that are happening that they don't like and stuff like that, gas and oil infrastructure, insurance, claims processing, automated property assessments, claim, fraud, loss mitigation, okay? Another way to prevent losses for insurance companies, okay? Exposures to fires, floods, natural disasters. They're going to see this stuff coming. Mining and manufacturing, real-time environmental monitoring of surface characteristics, change monitoring pits, stockpiles, land use, agriculture, crop health monitoring, okay? They'll be able to see this from miles and miles away. Companies will be able to monitor different states, okay? You get the picture, okay? It's allowing people to make moves on the swivel to prevent losses, and make adjustments to save money. Environmental, monitoring effects of climate change, deforestation, natural resources. Okay, this is a large growing total addressable market. As you can see, this pretty much gives you a great grasp of what these satellites do. Okay, and we'll take a look more at the deal and check out the deal just to see what we're looking at. Okay, of course, revenue 2019, 20, and 21. Okay, we got revenue confirmed. Okay, we're gonna be at $40 million, and this is when it gets crazy, guys. 149% revenue growth, 96% revenue growth, 73% revenue growth the next 3 years. You are in the growth phase. You're not in the investing phase. This is why they're going public right now. Okay, we'll look at their EBITDA, which will start to go positive next year, guys, at 1 million EBITDA, and you know, they're going to start making some crazy money 2023, 2024, and 2025. Some companies, do take a long time to get into that EBITDA positive range. And, this company's been public since 2013. So we have the revenue, we have the growth, we have, the contracts, the deals with large government agencies, and I think this company is going public at a perfect time. And I love the $1 billion valuation. I think it's very fair, especially what's going to be happening, next year in 2023. So let's take a look. We got a pipe, 12%. So worst case scenario, I see the stock drop into maybe $8.59. Okay, after the deal, if a lot of people plan to exit, including retail and pipe. So we can see this stock drop to $9. I really don't care. I think this is a high quality company, and I think when it starts running, you're going to see investors hop on this one. It does have a low float. A lot of retail investors are attacking companies with low floats for no reason. This company actually has great revenue, great growth ahead of them, and as you can see, this is some of the competitors for data analytics: Datadog, Elastic, Palantir, and Snowflake. These are massive companies, and guys, the Snowflake valuation is still, crazy, crazy high. I think it's at 70x valuation, and I'm talking a 35x valuation next year, which is half. And Palantir, Palantir's valuation is pretty solid, around 30, 40x, but the revenue growth right now is at 30%. So this company is very large. They went public at a much larger scale, I think it was like a $20 billion valuation. They have about $1 billion in revenue, but I think there's more upside of entering a smaller company like Blacksky rather than going with a Palantir, which is already at, like a $50 billion market cap. Some of the largest companies in the world, hit about, a 1 trillion market cap. So I think there's more upside on Blacksky, 10xing before Palantir can 10x, in my personal opinion. So these are some of the, geospatial satellite companies right here. And as you can see, we have Virgin Galactic, AST Space Mobile, no revenue and 4 million in revenue. 2020, once again, no revenue, 1 billion with Virgin Galactic. We have revenue, guys, and now some of these companies start turning decent revenue, this year, like Virgin Galactic at 25 million. But as you can see, guys, we have revenue compared to all the other geospatial competitors, and it's looking at valuations right now. Of course, these have been changed a little. This is the compound annual growth rate, and pretty much like I said, Palantir is about 30%. Snowflake is a little higher, 73%. We have the fastest compound annual growth rate of all these data analytic companies right now at 128%. As you can see, Blacksky 128%. Snowflake's one of the highest. Palantir 30. All these hover around 20 to 30. And I love investing in companies with 30% growth rate. I'm investing in several other companies with 30 to 50% growth rate as well. But Blacksky is, they're about to start taking over next year, 2022. So I hope this gave you, some great details about the company. Things to look for in SPACs is confirmed revenue, earnings, guidance, reassurance, valuations, company size, stuff like that, competitor peers, valuations. Uh, you can't be getting on this company at $10. You know, the NAV price at the 1 billion valuation. I mean, it's looking very good with the 100% growth, you know, the next 2 3 years. And I'm going to be hopping on this company, guys. I wouldn't recommend buying quite yet. Wait till the deal voting date gets announced, then you can start buying in, you know, to give you more reassurance and, you know, to feel more comfortable. But I'm definitely going to be buying this company. I'll probably make it like 5 to 5, maybe 10%. Okay, 5 to 10% of my portfolio. I really like this one, and I think there's some massive gains if you can actually not even pay attention to this company for 5 years. Just give it 5 years. And I think this is how people become huge winners, you know, and landing those, you know, Shopify's, Spotify's, Twilio's, Roku's, you know, this is what it takes. It takes time. And, you know, this company's been around for a while. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really do enjoy doing these, you know, investor presentation, walkthroughs and stuff like that. So if there's another company you like, or if you think Blacksky would be a good investment to hold over the next couple of years, be sure to drop me a comment. I really want to hear your comment. I'll comment back. And once again, I hope you have a great day, and please subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.